And welcome to a new video. I have my Slack 4x4. There's its body off right now. Just running it in some water, and all the electronics are working fine. You can see the lights, which are waterproof, and the fan, which is waterproof, and everything else is working good. But the motor is pretty hot, and I shouldn't be able to do this in my garage. Yeah. So I need to tighten the slipper clutch. So it's a pretty simple fix. I just need to grab out the 2.5mm wrench, and there's just two little screws on this side and then two on the other side, and then the whole rear assembly comes off. So I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back. Undone all of them. So I've got the top two out. They're all the same size. And now I'm just going to do the bottom two, which are right there and right there. Okay, so now all four screws are out, and so we can flip it around onto the wheels, and now this part of it just comes right off. So now in here you can see the slipper clutch. That's that assembly. It has the spur gear attached to it. So to get it out, I usually have to use a pair of needle nose pliers. So I'm just going to set you up right there. Oh my goodness. I can't even set it on my own. There we go. Okay. See? Came right out. Okay. So now what you need to do is hold right there with the whatever kind of pliers you like the best. I like these mini channel locks that my grandpa gave me. They work very nice. Thank you, Papa. So now you're just going to tighten it. Sorry, I'm not this. So if you hold it right up here, so right up there, and you turn it, you can see it turns really easily, but it's not supposed to. So that is why we tighten the slipper clutch. Real cars have these as well, not just RCs. So I just got done making a pie for my neighbors. Very nice people. So, well, actually, I didn't get done making a pie for my neighbors. I got done making a pie to practice making a pie for my neighbors. See, now it's pretty tough or hard to turn. So that's what you want. Now you can flip back over, and the central drive shaft is in there. It's the blue thing in the middle, and this gear goes into that drive shaft. So just have to kind of line it up, tip it upside down, whatever you need to do. And sometimes it helps if you go like that. And you just have to spin around so it gets in line with the pinion gear, and now it's in. So now you have to line up the rear assembly to the mid assembly. So you just have to, okay. So I just flip it over onto its back, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, I guess. So you might need to turn the tires. Oh, come on. It'd be helpful if I had my film person with me, but he's not here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay, now it's in line. Never mind. Just give me a sec. So now it's lined up, you can see right there. So now you can put the screws back in the holes. And the 2.5mm hex wrench. And yes, I'm running Traxxas tires in the front, or stock tires in the front, which are Traxxas tires, and the Proline Badlands in the rear. Meow. Nope, not for us. There, now you can see what kind of servo I have. And that red blue single cylindrical object in the middle is the drive shaft. And these red straps do not come stock, but the stock thing actually snapped off while I was driving it in the winter, and so I've just been using these red straps, Velcro of course. They actually came with the batteries that I'm running. I am slowly switching to EC3 connectors, as you can see right there, because apparently Traxxas does not sell Traxxas connectors anymore, and I was going in to get that battery soldered, and so I'm running stock shocks, just with the upgraded shock cap, the red ones. So it's not the best, but it works. Okay, now that one's tightened up. Oh, the shock is coming loose again. I would say I'll put some thread locker on there, but the thread locker actually breaks down the plastic, so fortunately that's not an option. Sometime I might put some super glue on there, but I don't think I want to, because if I ever want to take these out, I'm going to have to rip out the whole thing, whole assembly, because their super glue is pretty strong, and I might not get very lucky. I can turn it on. Actually, transmitter on, always. Green light. Now, when I do it, see, much better than before. Okay, this is Venti Source. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.